Mastering Academic Phrasal Verbs, Expressing Opinions. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we are diving into the world of academic phrasal verbs, specifically focusing on how to express opinions. Phrasal verbs are a vital part of the English language, and in academic and professional settings, they can truly elevate your language skills. Let's embark on this journey to learn and understand phrasal verbs for expressing opinions. First things first, let's quickly recap what phrasal verbs are. A phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition, or both. The resulting phrase often carries a meaning that is different from the individual words, which can sometimes be a bit tricky to understand. But no worries, with practice, they become second nature. In the academic world, expressing opinions is not just about saying, "I think," or "I believe." It's about making your argument sound persuasive and authoritative. Here are some academic phrasal verbs that can help. 1. Weigh in on, to give your opinion or advice about something. 2. Point out, to mention a fact or detail, especially in order to correct a mistake or misunderstanding. 3. Stand by, to support or remain loyal to something, even in difficult times. 4. Speak up, to express one's thoughts, ideas, or opinions openly and assertively. Let's see these verbs in action with some examples. 1. Researchers have yet to weigh in on the impact of climate change on tropical storms. 2. The author points out the limitations of traditional schooling methods in her latest book. 3. Despite facing criticism, the scientist decided to stand by his controversial theory. 4. It is important to speak up about issues that matter, such as social injustice or climate change. That wraps up our session on academic phrasal verbs for expressing opinions. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of how to use these phrasal verbs to sound more authoritative and persuasive in your academic communication. Keep practicing, and you'll soon find these verbs naturally fitting into your academic discussions and writings. See you in our next lesson.